The next tip that we have is number 3, related to the investment in the stock exchange or investment in the stocks market. So that is related to the investing in time. Means it's not like you are having a 10 or 15 minutes per day, you don't have a spare time and you're going for the investment. No, it's not like that. So for that, if you remember, we have the first tip that you have to go for the fundamental analysis, you have to go for the technical analysis, obviously for the knowledge, for the study, for all the things. But we need the time. So for this purpose, what we need a purpose based time. Hi, welcome again. What we were discussing the 9 tips for the investment in the stock markets. So the third one is what is the investment in the time. Now, obviously, you are investing the money. You may have a $100 or maybe a $1 million that you are investing, but at the same time, you should spare some time where you can invest in the stock market. Why you want to invest it? Because you have to go for the knowledge. You have to go for the technical knowledge. You have to go for the fundamental knowledge. And even on the daily basis, what you have to do, you have to study. You have to study the proper stock market. You have to study the trends, how either it is increasing, either it is decreasing. You have to see the political things, how they are affecting. You have to also see the government policies, the tax policies of the government, the interest rate in the market, the economic condition of the market. Even like some war is starting in the other country, but it may be affecting your stock market. So all these things you have to consider. Means you have to go for the investment in the stock, but first decide that you are investing the money, obviously, and also you are investing the time. That is very important thing, and it is very much attention that you need for that specific. What you have to do, you have to give the attention, you have to give the time to what, to the stock market. You have to study, you have to properly analyze the things, that what is happening, how they are moving, either they are moving upward or they are moving downward. It is not like a 10, 15, 20 minutes that you have in the day and you go for the investment. It's not like that. You need a proper time for that, because if you want to become a successful investor, if you want to become a proper investor in the market, you have the money, obviously, but at the same time you need the time also, because with the passage of time, and also it's not like that in the 1 week or 2 weeks you are just very much passionate, you are giving the time also, and after that you are relaxing. It's not like, it's the continuous attention is needed. It's not for some specific time period like a 10, 15 days, 1 month you are very much attentive and then you are careless. No, it's not like that. What you have to do, you have to properly invest the time and the money in the stock market. Before going for the investment, you should decide either you have a time, either you have money, and how much risk you can take. After that you have to decide. So this is very important thing, that if you have a time, then go for the stock investment. But if you don't have a time, you can't spare the time from your job or from your other work or from your other business, I will suggest you not go for the stock market. But obviously it is very returning business. If you are giving the time to that, obviously it will give the return to you. Thank you. Bye.